Hi guys, here we are on the delivery trail, Vineyard Town. It's a hot day. We're hot for the job. This is what we do efficiently and effectively every day. Big boss! Afraid of dog, so when I go over the fence. Sir P. Alright. Oh, go on there. Yeah. Afternoon, man. How you stay?
Blessings.
Blessings. Welcome to the family. Welcome to the family. I know you're a brand new customer. I hope you're excited to get your big box them.
Absolutely, absolutely.
And I'm pleased that you have faith in us delivering big boxes to you. Because of course, I'm sure you saw we're not only those small packages, we're into the big ones, couches, so when you buy a new couch.
His future is
great.
It's great. You understand? You can never tell what can happen in the future.
Yeah, so we do microwave thing, we do stove, we do TV, we do even a box of groceries from
a lot of possibilities.
All right.
You understand me? So,
yeah.
Understand me? Anticipate that it will be an ongoing partnership.
Yeah, man.
And look forward to greater things in the future.
And we're happy to please you to get this to you as efficiently and quickly as possible.
Correction, though.
Yeah.
First time, it's not the first time I'm receiving a package from your company.
Oh, it's not?
And I actually did a video before.
Oh, so this is a long time star. Okay.
In COVID, I think in 2020,
right,
we received a PTZ camera from you guys.
Oh.
And actually, then it was a different individual.
Yes, it was. Yeah, man. Yeah, my predecessor.
Yeah. So yeah.
All right. So you've been around the blocks.
Yes, man.
I think for the man.
Started with Mr.
I'm thinking brand new. This man been around the blocks a couple of times, man. Welcome
it's the
back.
First time it's going through me.
Oh.
But I would have received the package.
Okay. All right. Good stuff.
Sent from overseas directly to me.
Right. It's a kite that me hear a fly.
Yeah, man.
A long time in it. Oh yeah. Oh nice. A long time I don't see them something, Them things are really happening, man.
Quite frequent in this.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
What? Because it's windy? What? I don't know. I swear. Because of the hillside? Oh, all right, cool. Oh, cool. I'll make a kite the next time we come around here and we'll be flying kites. Yes, that's what we'll be doing. Big boss, I appreciate it. And thanks much, all right?
Yeah, man, no problem.
There you have it, guys. On the delivery trail. The man love it. The man is a returning customer. And we're going to come back because I'm going to buy a fridge next week. Well, I saw him say anyway. I trust him words. I'm going to help him with them boxes right now.